Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Fire Me channel. So today we are going to be doing another trade of Ventas. Now you guys have seen my previous videos on why I like Ventas, but I'm just going to reiterate a couple points of why I really like this company in terms of being a REIT. Number one, they've got exposure to seniors' homes, so they don't operate them, they just have the leases for them. Now, the reason why this is important is because baby boomers are aging, and that's not going to stop just because of the COVID crisis. Now, move-ins were down in the last couple months. However, I think that's just a short-term thing. They're going to pick back up as soon as later summer, early fall comes around and we start getting life back to normal. But great position to be in. Population's aging, there's not going to be a drop in demand for this service. Another great thing about Ventas is they have properties that support research facilities, which right now are in high demand. Number two, the leases on these research facilities are not short term, they're usually many years long, 5 to 10 year leases. So I think they're in a great position to capitalize on this COVID-19 race to the cure, so to speak, and their research properties will be in high demand. The other reason I really like these two is they don't have exposure like a Brookfield to commercial office real estate. So as it's been proven that working from home has been quite effective, there's probably going to be a lower demand for commercial office real estate, at least in the next year to two. I don't believe that companies are just going to double the amount of space that they're leasing so people can have exponentially more space around them. I do think they'll have certain people work at home and then potentially even downsize their offices. So that's why I like Ventas. They're positioned well as a REIT. They got a great dividend, a great CEO, and they're a very well-run company. I'm taking this opportunity to average down. Ventas has dropped about 50% since I believe we first got in. I'm looking at this as a buying opportunity of a lifetime. I think come fall, if we're back to work and back to life as normal, Ventas will come roaring back and we'll have made really good money on this. So anyways, let's go ahead and make the trade. Okay, we're going to be buying our share of Ventas and averaging down today. Do a buy at the limit buy, and we will try for $29.85 one share, and we will check back later to see if we get this. All right, we're just checking back in to see if we got our share of Ventas, and there's no pending trade, so it looks like we did. And now we're up to 3 shares of Ventas, and our total return, our loss dropped to 42% from 57%, and we'll continue to average down. All right, once again, we are using the Wealthsimple Trade platform. Super simple to do the trade. If you don't already have a platform that is commission free, you definitely need to sign up for one, whether it's Wealthsimple Trade, Robinhood, M1 Finance, etc. There's several of them out there now. It's a great option for people, especially for new investors with a low portfolio value. You can do all these $5, $10, $20 trades with no commissions. It's the only way to go, in my opinion, when you're just starting out. You know, maybe once you get to a bigger portfolio size, you might want to go to a full service broker. But for now, this is suiting our purposes just fine. And we'll see you guys in the next video.